at the back. Did it say standing up?
Yes.
Did it say up like that?
Yes.
What did we just do, Deb?
Ask the GMC truck.
No, what did you buy?
Oh, we want some model kits.
Danny, what'd you buy? Show me. It's upside down. What'd you get, Div?
I got the most baller vehicle I can find.
If I can get out of this damn bag.
Gangster. Hell yeah.
We got some paint, some blue acrylic paint. These, I don't know what they
There's a
is.
bunch of videos of mine. This car specifically.
This car,
Putting a burnout.
but what was that?
What? We don't even have an intro or anything.
No.
Yeah, this is no specs.
You
We're
know,
gonna make Honda videos.
we're just cruising around in his Honda right now.
Look, it's
Automatic.
H. It's H right here.
Danny poops on our Hondas because he drives a Chev and he thinks he's all that.
V6 power, bitch.
Off.
Damn.
Danny, you ruined it.
Now we're not gonna get any money. We can bleep it out.
I was gonna say, just beep it out,
Still
yeah.
get money.
Danny, you're not getting a share now.
Wasn't getting a share to begin with.
Yeah. Oh shit.
I don't know why you British.
I feel like I keep just like wanting to stare right at the camera, and like I feel like I shouldn't be doing that. And it's not like a movie though. I guess if you're vlogging,
But
you're
it's a
trying to
vlog,
vlog,
so like,
I'll do the stare and drive.
no, don't do the stare and drive. There's brake lights.
Hey, look, there's my mom.
Yo, there's an Escalade.
Staring down.
We're gonna go build an Escalade in the GTO and
Whoa, easy there.
Whoa.
whoa.
Too much Honda
I
power.
didn't do that. I didn't do that.
the automatic transmission's acting up.
I didn't even ask it to.
He didn't ask it to. It does what it wants.
I can downshift.
Don't downshift.
Here comes.
Downshift.
Here comes.
Back to drive, so it doesn't give up on us.
If I can keep it in second.
Red light, red light, red light. Oh, Devin. What's a red light?
So don't try it on me. That Honda behind us didn't give a crap.
Just trying to get it to focus, you know, more Honda stuff. He's not part of the no spec, so he's not cool enough. I can't flip the camera. I'm kind of.
I don't think so.
Never mind.
Unless we just recorded it all on Snapchat.
Just iPhone bunk stuff right here, you know. Danny's having a seizure.
Woo. That's a stroke, bud.
Honda gang.
Okay, here comes. First gear,
Body in your trunk.
second gear. Fuck, I wonder if I can get it to. No, this is not long enough of a straight stretch to get second gear to pin.
It is if you don't hit that stop sign.
Oh yeah, Daniel, just go right through the stop sign.
I see. Want to do burnout?
Yeah.
I'm actually shocked it did that.
Me too, actually, yeah. Slipped a little bit.
I think his tranny was slipping, not his tires.
That was a tranny squeaking along all the already bare gears.
That's fine. Bear. It's in first right now. Isn't it?
Danny thinks he's cool because he got a feature.
A feature. I'm gonna be like a third of the channel
Yeah,
with
because
no fucking revenue.
Need some extension cords.
Danny! Stop! Niggas bleep it out.
Okay.
That's more editing I gotta do.
Look at the rockers on that old freaking Yukon. No spec Civic over there, you know.
Chev all day. Chev all day.
Danny, your Chev is slow.
Chevy. Faster than the auto Civ.
Check out the front wheels. Let's be good. Let's be good.
Let's go peep with that new front lip. Wait, I gotta put my
Look
paint.
at the extra.
Put my paint in your bag.
Let's go look at the extra 20 horsepower.
Don't forget your Escalade, bro. Try to get out of this two-door Civ Bomb thing here. Gonna let Danny out. Just gonna. Yo. Front lip gang. EM2 crew.
Like a precious cargo here.
Looks like a miniature knockball.
I'll walk.
We didn't go to the dollar store to get.
Oh shit! That's the smartest thing Danny said all day. Because now we got to get back in the car.
No paint, no glue.
We got paint and glue.
No paint brushes.
We got paint with no paintbrushes.
No glue. What am I gonna sniff?
Danny, we got glue. Oh, we didn't get glue.
You didn't get glue.
That's why you get.
We have an issue here.
Race car thing here.
We're back. We're
This is
going
good.
again, Nancy.
It's not gonna stay there, is it? Oh, yo, it stayed there.
Chris is there holding it for us. Shout out to Chris.
Shout out to Chris for holding
Camaro
up for
Chris.
that.
Chris and Chevy.
Camaro Chris.
Yeah, we met Chris at Chevy last night, guys.
We went to Chevy last night. We saw this funny fella named Chris.
Shout out to him.
Tried to sell a bunch of boys who like Jap crap Camaro.
Two boys that like Jack Crap.
Yeah, well,
Chevy gang.
I should probably put my seatbelt on.
one of us hasn't gone over to the good side yet. Where all the real cars
Two
are.
of us. Two of you have. One of you went to the good side and then came back.
You know what we gotta get? We gotta get a selfie stick.
They sell those at the dollar store too.
I wonder if they have.
Yo, I know that kid.
Hey, do a trick. Do something cool.
Scooter gang. Where's he at? Where's he at? He doing tricks.
No.
He not doing tricks.
Person in the Nissans, what the hell we're doing.
Just tell him we're YouTubing.
I'm a famous YouTuber.
Definitely not what they thought.
We're gonna be famous.
Herbert driving the Honda.
Herbert.
Just check out the stash. Mustache check.
Watch that car coming.
Yeah. Look at my stash. Bang! I got the stash too. It's a gang.
That's what I said.
Oh, that's a
That's
good
a
angle.
angle. Hey, don't. Hey.
I can't see. Is that a Honda? Is that another Honda?
Pacific
I thought there was a cop or something.
23rd year in a row.
That was a Honda.
Heard that on the radio this morning.
Heard what on the radio?
The Civic LX has been Canada's #1 selling car for the last 23 years.
Well, mine's an SI.
Mine's an LX.
Is it?
Piece.
We're gonna beat that out. Oh!
Wind was weird, like nose diving like that. It was like.
But no. No.
That's a greasy pothole.
And we live in Nova Scotia. All potholes are greasy.
Jeez.
What's that noise?
Busy here. What noise? That's the Panda.
Oh, it's the Panda. I didn't even notice the Panda.
What is that?
JDM.
The-
Honda.
Honda.
Can I sit in the car and give you a tuning?
There's Alicia's car.
Alicia.
Want to see a souped up Kia Rio?
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah. That's a Chevy Aveo wing. It's got a black roof.
Yo, watch out for this freaking speed bump though.
There's a greasy speed bump.
Get a clip of this little speed bump
Yeah,
here.
you want to hear an exhaust scrape?
Oh, we're gonna scrape. We're gonna scrape.
Oh, it's scrape. The rattle.
We gotta take that heat shield off. Maybe that'll be another clip.
Listen to it. R.I.P. Mac
That's
Miller.
that's
that's it.
it actually.
Yeah. Paper Mac.
Come on.
Yo. Straight feature for our local supplier of vape gear.
There's Dylan.
Dylan whom?
I don't think he's in the car.
Wait, what's Dylan doing here? Dylan's definitely a Vapor Max. Wait, what?
Way over here.
That's our friend Dylan. He drives a
Scuba room.
I don't know what to call it. It's some
4x4.
sort of 4x4 Subaru with a light bar and stuff. Oh, but that's Dylan's car. Danny, get the shot. Oh, I was blocking here while you're going down the road.
Oh, yeah.
Hope I don't lose my phone. Oh no. Dylan's car. Goes on. Look at this ugly Ranger.
I like that too.
You like that color? Comment in the comments if you like that color. Whoa, big Dodge with
Little
fenders.
Dodge.
You know, we're at the local Dollarama here. If I can get this.
Can't dodge them.
Local Dollarama real quick to get some glue that we forgot to get when we went home.
Yeah, can I just give you like a tuning? I mean, you got a paintbrush for me too.
I'm gonna stop the video now.
We're just gonna get a kit of a bunch of different paintbrushes.
So we see something in the horizon ahead of us here.
Oh my god.
What is that?
I do like the smoothed out bumper though.
The roll pit?
Whatever. I'm not a truck guy.
What's that called? What's that truck called?
A Chevy.
What's it set up like?
Small. Very small.
Very small.
Very small.
The mud flaps don't even do anything.
Pecker
Like,
mobile. Yeah,
Oh,
why
mud
does he even
flaps.
have that? I probably-
He's in it, I wouldn't
They're
like.
touching the tires.
Oh yeah. Ooh, those rims are sweet. What the frick is going on in there?
That's right.
What a nice Chev back there. Can't even see it over your spoiler.
Well, yeah, it's, you know.
Honda gang. You know, we're cruising downtown in our built Honda EM2 here.
Yeah, built K-Series.
Straight out of Japan with the K20Z1. It does not burn oil.
Just how I do it. You know, no rust, not a spot of rust.
No rust at all.
No rust, perfect
No.
paint, no scratches.
No, the head gasket doesn't leak either.
Gasket's mint. Mint.
How do you spell mint? With a
Yeah.
couple extra letters?
Do you know how I spell mint? L-I-E-S.
Lies.
Lies.
Lies. Ha.
Oh my god.
Give
you
him a
are
minute. He
so
needed to sound it out.
Stupid.
I'm slower than your Honda.
Right about
That's
now.
pretty darn slow. Honda SI.
That's for sale.
Is it? Is that the one on Facebook?
Yeah.
How much?
Oh, too much. You ready to hear VTech?
Ready to hear some VTech-ero?
Louder at idle.
You ought to slow down there, sonny boy.
Oh, jeez.
Might get pulled over. We were doing the speed limit going up that hill, I swear.
Oh, no!
If you didn't slow down, that would have.
Oh my god, my hat just like...
Oh, no.
I think we gotta go check that out. I think you broke something. My mom texted me and said, "Where'd you guys go? I thought you were here."
We were.
I said dollar store.
We're back.
Oh, there's a minivan coming. Oh, look, there's Danny's Extreme. Extreme piece of crap. Spoon fit over there, you know, he never drives it. Ugh.
The only bad thing on my truck.
Only bad thing.
Except for the whole fucking thing.
Oh! This right here, we got some ugly freaking step sides on a tiny little truck. Danny's coming to get mad at me. So we were over here one day. Danny cracked his lip. It's kind of bunked. Devin just, yeah. There's the other no spec Civic. It's got no back pressure right now because the exhaust doesn't really do much. And Danny, where you at?
How's miles going, boys?
I don't know.
Some parts.
Fucking blind.
Dane's gonna get so close.
Let's go fall apart. Engine option A or B? Can I do like a V6 or a V8?
A V6 in an old classic muscle car.
Wait, why do I have options though?
Carburetor fuel injection.
Yeah? I think so. Gas tank.
Why did you say
We've resorted to painting instead. Because I mean, screw trying to put these.
I didn't want to try to put it together, so I'm just gonna paint it and say I did it.
Good old Danny painted his phone.
Dumbass.
Hey, watercolor.
Your mom's water soluble.